It's so sick. It's like I'm riding the. Oh, this is awesome. All right. He's a little heavy. He's like a little top heavy because he's die cast. It's a Hot Wheels collector from San Diego Comic-Con apparently. I just want to see how he handles. Oh, whoa! When you hit the brakes, he does a wheelie. Watch. We can pop a wheelie. Wait. Whee! Let's go up here. Whoa! We're gonna hop a fence. Ghost Rider, baby. This is so sick. Oh, let's ride the cycle in here. Whoa, hell cycle, baby. This is sick. Whoa, baby. Whoa. Thread the needle, baby. Whoa, don't hit that. Whoa, almost hit that. Friggin'. Watch this move. Whoa, hell cycle. That's sick. Let's see how it maneuvers at the slow speed. Whoa, okay, hell cycle. Helsinki. Dude, this is sick. Whoa, low bridge. Hello, bridge. Watch this. Ease it. You can drift. Tokyo drift. Alright. That's crazy. The hell cycle works. This is sick. Money well spent. Hold on, going up. Coming down. It's like you jumped it. You jumped the fence. You jumped the fence. You're getting pushed around a little bit for the wind. Yee, look at that. That's so sick. It's like he's riding his little bicycle. I don't know what the theme song for Ghost Rider is. This is it. It's so sick. Alright, let me flip this bad boy around. We got 3 minutes. I'll tell you, the DJI Avata 2 batteries are super weak. Not as strong as they should be. Let's see if we can make this U-turn. Tokyo drift turn. Tokyo drift. There you go. There you go, Helsinki. Watch this.